My simple explanation for what Veeam does is we do backup. And everyone understands that because I have photos, I have videos, I have music, I have personal memories that I want to keep. And so it doesn't matter who you are as an individual or who you are as an organization, you have data that you want to keep. And Veeam helps with that. Not only do we help on the backup side, but one of our specialties is actually on recovery. How do you get it back in the best way possible? That's what we do. Veeam always focuses on two things that I would argue are critical to its success. One is obsession with what the customer needs. So it's not what we decide the market needs, it's what does the customer actually need from conversations. And then the second complementing component to that is technical innovation. How do you do it differently than everyone else in the market? So many companies just try and put in a checkbox and do what everyone else is doing. We look at the technology and say, how can we do it in a way that is different, that is unique, that actually solves the customer problem, but in a better way than everyone else is doing it?